flickering flames, we find a primal force, a power that moves us with unbridled course. It dances and crackles with unbridled grace, a passion that burns with an intense glow, a warmth that we all instinctively know. From the smallest spark to the brightest blaze, it captures our hearts in its fiery maze. A force of nature, a thing of beauty, a sacred duty. It speaks to our souls with its ancient voice, a call to our hearts, a reason to rejoice. And as we gaze into its brilliant light, we feel our spirits take flight. So let us honor this purest flame and keep its memory forever aflame. For in its heart, we find our own desire. True fire, a lasting fire.